Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to add a profile picture on Snapchat. To do this it's very easy. You have just to go to Snapchat, open the app, and after opening the app go and click on your avatar on the top left of the screen. And as you can see here, you will find all the options that you will need. And in the top of the screen, like next to my account here, you will find a profile picture like form. You have to click on the pen next to it. And after that, choose the picture that you want to put. You can adjust the picture like you want. Click on confirm. And like that, as you can see, this picture now is your profile picture. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video.